Would you like to turn the clock back on your skin? I can't tell you how many times I've looked at the acne scars, large pores, lip wrinkles, and uneven pigmentation on my face and wished for more beautiful skin. I had a lot of trouble with acne in my teens and early 20s. I've spent a lot of time outdoors paddling rivers and climbing mountains, and my skin shows it. My name is Dr. Brandy Rose Lipscomb, and I typically talk about pain relief, but today I am so excited to share something different with you. I am going to take you behind the scenes on my own PRP microneedling facial treatment. What is PRP microneedling? Microneedling itself has been around for a long time, and I'm not referring to one of those little skin rollers that you can buy from the grocery store. A proper microneedling device like the skin pen has 12 tiny needles inside each sterile single-use tip. The battery-powered device quickly punctures the surface of the skin to create tiny wounds that draw blood and platelets to the surface to initiate the repair of the surface of your skin. Pretty cool in and of itself. And there's plenty of research to show that microneedling is effective for acne scars and fine lines. PRP microneedling takes things a giant step further and really accelerates your skin's healing response. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. This liquid gold is created by drawing your blood and spinning it in a special centrifuge designed to harvest a high concentration of your platelets. Your platelet-rich plasma is applied in a thin layer to your face during the microneedling treatment. When we open those channels from your epidermis to your dermis with the microneedling, the platelets are activated and release at least 4 potent growth factors from the alpha granules that have been scientifically proven to increase the migration of fibroblasts into the dermis and significantly increase collagen production over a 4-week period of time. This treatment is a celebrity favorite. Jennifer Aniston has said that it's the only thing she does 3 sessions a year to maintain her incredible youthful glow. The Kardashians, Demi Moore, and even Angelina Jolie have all taken advantage of this modern medical makeover. Now I know what you're thinking. This probably hurts, right? Not really. While your platelets are being prepared, a powerful topical numbing cream is applied to the treatment area, and we can do the face as well as the neck and the décolleté. We use a specially compounded numbing cream to ensure that you are comfortable throughout your treatment, but you aren't numb 12 hours later. You'll have a chance to talk to your doctor about your skin and the specific areas of concern that you would like to target. We can adjust the depth of the microneedling based upon your skin type, your desired outcome, and your comfort level. You'll feel the buzzing sensation on your skin, but the numbing cream will ensure that you feel little to no pain. Some women prefer to have the face and the neck treated simultaneously for an all-over youthful glow. We love the skin pen for microneedling because it is quick and easy to adjust the depth of the needle to get the most effective results, whether we're treating the thinner skin underneath the eye or the thicker skin on the cheek. For example, your practitioner will adjust the needle to a more shallow depth for sensitive skin, like the under eye area, and into deeper depths for stubborn scars and thicker skin on the cheeks. Your skin will be at maximum redness immediately after the treatment. You can apply a specific rescue lift formula that we will provide to you for the next 24 hours. Your skin will look much calmer the next day. Some redness, flaking, and resurfacing will be evident for 24 to 72 hours after the treatment, depending upon how deeply we go in the treatment. We ask that you refrain from vigorous, sweaty exercise for 24 hours after your PRP facial and avoid direct sun exposure for 72 hours. This transformative treatment works over several weeks to months to ramp up your collagen production. It is literally the gift that keeps on giving. Over time, you will notice an even greater reduction in the depth of your wrinkles and fine lines, a more even glowing skin tone, less scarring, and a younger appearance overall. Are you ready to gift yourself with that gorgeous glow? You are worth it. Give us a call today and we'll happily get you scheduled at one of our offices conveniently located at Smokey Point in Arlington or Northgate in Seattle. We can't wait to help you put your best face forward.